guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have an amazing deal for you guys. I ran into Dollar General last night and did a quick $5 challenge, and I found a new glitch. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this $5 challenge. Now yesterday evening, I ran out to Dollar General. I was just going to pick up a gallon of milk and come straight back home. But I got into the store and I was kind of scanning, looking for some glitches, looking for some really good deals. And I just happened upon a new glitch. We did receive a new digital coupon last night. So we're going to go over that in this deal. But since I had found that glitch, I was like, well, let's just go ahead and see what we can come up with, right? So I think this deal turned out wonderful. I think this is a great deal to do all week long. And if you want to wait and throw it in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, it will be even better. And I probably will be including this deal specifically in a 5 off $25 scenario for Saturday. So let's go ahead and jump right in here. We're going to start off. We have the Playtex Sport tampons this week. On the sticker and on my receipt, it says that these are regular price $3.75. That they're on sale for $3.50. I thought that they were just always normal price $3.50, but apparently not. So this week these are on sale for $3.50. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. I'll pop it up here on the screen for you. So that leaves you paying just $1.50. So great deal there. We haven't had that deal in a while. So glad to see that one back. Next up, we'll just go ahead and go over this new glitch, okay? It's right here in the front. We have the Lay's 1 ounce bags of chips. We did receive a new 3 off 5 digital coupon. I'll pop it up here on the screen for Lay's products yesterday. So these are, it says 2 for $1 or 50 cents. They're 59 cents each, but this is a lie. They ring up at 50 cents each, all of them. Yeah, just want to double check here. Yeah, they all ring up at 50 cents each, so there is no 59 cents each. So what you want to do is pick up 5 of these, use that 3 off 5 digital coupon. That makes 5 bags free, plus gives you 50 cents in overage. So that's an awesome, awesome, awesome deal. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, I uploaded the good deals glitch list, and we have a 3-day sale this week. So there's a lot included in that video. If you missed it, I'll leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Definitely go check it out. We do have a Pepsi, a glitch with the Pepsi coupon. We have a new Pepsi 3 off 5 digital coupon. I'll pop it up here on the screen. And that coupon is working on the Frito-Lay Honey Barbecue Twist, the small bags that are also 50 cents each. So be on the lookout for those as well, because if you can find the Frito-Lay Honey Barbecue Twist bags and use that 3 off 5 Pepsi digital coupon, that'll give you another 50 cents in overage, okay? Now back to this glitch. Just as a warning, please, please, please make sure that you scan it, scan the chips to make sure that digital coupon attaches, because not all of the Lay's chips works with that 3 off 5 digital coupon. I know that the plain ones do. That one is showing up in the app. But I did scan several that did not work. So I just went with all barbecue chips just to play it safe. So those are the ones that you want to be on the lookout for. Lay's plain or Lay's barbecue. And then also the Frito-Lay Honey Barbecue Twist. All right, so we threw that deal in. That gave me 50 cents in overage. Next up, if you can't find the Frito-Lay Honey Barbecue Twists, you can do this deal right here with that 3 off 5 Pepsi digital coupon. And I picked up the Brisk iced teas. There's different ones that you can pick up. The coupon does not work with all of them, okay? So I was going to pick up the sweet tea. It did not work on the sweet tea. So make sure that you are scanning. And then there was one more. I think it was fruit punch. Did not work on that one either. So I picked up a couple of the lemonade, a couple of the strawberry melon, and then one of the iced tea with lemon, okay? So that coupon does work on all 3 of these flavors. Now, if you don't want to pick up the brisk teas, you can pick up the 1 liter or 1.25 liter Pepsi or Mountain Dew drinks, and that will work out to be the same. So these are $1 each. Like, again, I picked up a total of 5. The other 2 are in the back there. I used that 3 off 5 digital coupon. So final price for all 5 was just $2. So I think that was a great deal. And moving on in to the back here. I kind of told you guys about this deal in yesterday's video, but I found an even better way to do it while I was in the store, okay? So we have General Mills cereals, Quaker cereals, and Captain Crunch, and I think Kellogg's is also included. But to get the most bang for your buck, here is an awesome way to do this deal, okay? I did give you guys another way to do the deal in yesterday's video, but here's an even better deal, okay? So while I was in the store, I was looking around, and I did find $1 off 1 Peelies on the Pokemon cereals. Let me see if I can find that real quick. All right, so here's what the Peely looks like. It's pink. It was kind of hard to see, but this is a 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon for Lucky Charms, Marshmallow Clusters, or Pokemon cereals. So my kids, they don't even like this kind of cereal. They're not even really big cereal eaters anymore. They were last year, but this year not so much. So even if this is to donate, I'm completely fine with it. So, like I said, General Mills, Life, and Captain Crunch on sale, 3 for $6. I found the 1 off 1 Peely for the Pokemon cereal. We have a 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon for the Quaker and Captain Crunch cereals. That is a manufacturer coupon. And we have a 2 off 2 DG store coupon for the Quaker products. And Captain Crunch is included in that. So, for all 3 cereals, my final price was $2 out of pocket. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have 50 cents back, a 50-cent rebate back on the Life cereal and 50 cents back on the Captain Crunch cereal. Now, you can definitely, if you wanted to just pick up 2 Captain Crunch and leave out the Life cereal, or pick up 2 of the Life cereal and leave out the Captain Crunch, you could definitely do that too. That would work out completely the same because there is a limit of 5 on that Ibotta rebate. So, like I said, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got a total of $1 back. 50 cents for the Life cereal, 50 cents for the Captain Crunch. Final price for all 3 boxes, just $1. Can you guys believe that? How awesome is that? So, I thought this was a fantastic deal, and you can bet your butts I am going to be doing this Saturday with my 5 of $25 scenarios. So, I think that was amazing. Be on the lookout for those Peelies. Like I said, they're a little bit hard to find, to see, unless you're just looking for them. They were kind of like right there. So, be on the lookout for those. And these don't expire until December 31st. What does that say? 31st, 2022. So, really good little deal there. All right, guys, so now we're going to take a look at my notebook, and we're going to go over each individual deal, and I'll show you my final price. All right, guys, so just a quick look at my notebook here. I just wrote down the products that I picked up and then the coupons that I used underneath there. So if you want to take a quick screenshot, you're more than welcome to do that. And then we are going to move down here to my subtotal. So subtotal for everything was $19. After all coupons and sales and everything was applied, I paid $5 out of pocket plus tax. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. Remember, we have that 50-cent rebate on the Captain Crunch and 50 cents back on the Life cereal. And I also have a 25-cent rebate for any receipt. So I received a total of $1.25 back. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. Right now we have a 100-point bonus for purchasing any Pepsi and Frito-Lay product. So I did receive that. And then I also received, let's see here, 15 points on the Pokemon cereal, 10 points for each Pepsi product that I picked up, and 5 points for each Frito-Lay product that I picked up. So that was a total of 190 points, which is the equivalent of 19 cents. Then I submitted my receipt to Inbox Dollars. There was a 2-cent rebate on there for any receipt. So I did receive that 2 cents back there. And that made my final price $3.54 for 14 items, or just 25 cents each. So I think that was an amazing deal. You guys let me know what you all think down in the comment section. Alright, so just to show you all my receipt really quickly, and just to show you that the digital coupons did apply. There we have the 2-off-1 Playtex digital coupon up there at the top. We have the 3-off-5 for the Lay's right there. We have the 3-off-5 for the Pepsi products right there. And down here, we have a 1-off-2 for the Quaker cereal right there. And down here at the bottom, we have the 1-off-1 Peely for the Pokemon cereal. Now, if you'll notice right here, we have some store discounts. So one of the store discounts will show up under all 3 cereals. That is the store sale that is going on this week, 3 for $6. Then we have that second store discount. That is your DG store coupon for 2-off-2, all right? So that one is only for Quaker cereal. You're only going to see that under your 2 Quaker cereals that you picked up. All right, so subtotal $5. Total savings $15.30 for 14 items. Alright guys, so if you're not already signed up for Ibotta and you want to go and check it out, I do have a video linked down in the description box below on how to sign up and use Ibotta. My referral code is on the screen here, and they do have a $20 welcome bonus. I cannot even tell you, I have saved thousands of dollars by using this app, and I absolutely love it. It is literally saving me so much money by using gift cards to pay for our Christmas gifts this year. And of course, you guys know I highly recommend that you go and check out Fetch Rewards as well. This is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to add anything onto your account. You don't have to keep up with anything. All you have to do is go to the store, purchase some items, scan your receipt when you're done, and then you're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you want to go and check it out and sign up, my referral code is on the screen here, and if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And here's another one of my all-time favorite rebate apps. We have Inbox Dollars. You can either sign up on the website or download the app and sign up there. I do have a referral link down in the description box below. If you use it, you're going to get a $5 sign-up bonus. Now, Inbox Dollars is more than just a rebate app. They pay you for all kinds of things. You can just sign up for free samples, and they're going to give you an extra 10 cents just for signing up through their website or their app. Plus, they pay you to print off free printable coupons. They're going to pay you 1 to 2 cents for every coupon that you print off, and right now they are actually giving back 20 cents for every coupon that you redeem in the store. So it's an awesome app, a great way to save money, and a great way to earn some more gift cards. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out and grab up some of these deals. Now, I am also going to be working on a Walgreens haul video today, so be on the lookout for that. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of these awesome deals. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.